Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're not just going to talk about English. We're going to transform the way you speak it. We're going to fix something no one ever told you about. And by the end of this video, I promise you'll look in the mirror and say, "Yes, now I can speak. I finally understand how to train my mouth to talk." So listen till the very end. Subscribe to our channel, because this video may become the most important turning point in your English journey. Let me ask you something simple. How many videos have you watched about English? How many grammar rules have you learned? How many hours have you listened? Silently. But when it's time to speak, your lips freeze, your tongue shakes, your voice disappears, your brain goes blank. Not because you're stupid, not because your English is bad, but because your mouth is untrained. Yes, that's the truth nobody told you. You're not learning to move your mouth like an English speaker. You're reading, watching, listening, but you're not training your speaking muscles. That's why nothing changes. That's why you stay stuck. That's why your confidence dies when you open your mouth. Let me say something very clearly. English is not just in your head. It's in your lips, your tongue, your jaw, your sound flow. And until you train those, you'll always feel like something is missing. But today, that ends. Because this video is going to be different. This is not some boring grammar lesson. Not another list of phrases. Not another YouTuber saying, "Repeat after me." This is a journey. We are going to break your fear, wake up your mouth, and build real spoken English fluency, starting from zero. And no, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need an accent. You don't need expensive courses. All you need is 5 minutes a day, the right method, and the courage to sound like a beginner, so you can become a fluent speaker. This is the video I wish someone gave me years ago. This is the truth your English teacher never told you. And this is your moment to stop just learning English and start speaking it like it's your first language. So let's begin. Part 1. The shocking truth nobody told you. Let's start with something powerful. Something that might hurt a little, but will set you free. Your mouth doesn't know how to move like an English speaker. Read that again. It's not your grammar. It's not your vocabulary. It's not your memory. It's your mouth. You've been training your brain, but not your mouth muscles. And that's why when you try to speak English, you sound slow, broken, nervous, or unnatural. Because English is a physical language. It has a different rhythm, a different shape, a different set of sounds. It's not just what you say. It's how your mouth produces those words. Let's compare it to fitness. Imagine reading 100 books about push-ups. You understand the form. You know the technique. You can explain it to others. But you never actually did a push-up. What happens when you try? You collapse. Because your muscles are weak. That's exactly what happens with English speaking. You know the words, but your mouth hasn't been trained to move fast, smooth, and confidently. Your tongue, your lips, your jaw, they're lazy. They're used to your native language. They don't know how to handle English speed, stress, and sound patterns. And when your mouth is untrained, no matter how many lessons you watch, no matter how many books you read, you'll always freeze when it's time to speak. That's why you say, "I understand everything, but I can't speak." Because you're missing the one thing nobody talks about. Speaking is not only mental, it's also muscular. Now here's the truth. In your native language, you've repeated every sound thousands of times since childhood. That's why your mouth moves fast and confidently. But in English, you've never trained your mouth to say the RLV soft T silent letters, linking sounds, rising falling tones. You skip them, you mumble them, you feel awkward saying them. So your speech becomes broken. And that's what destroys your confidence. But here's the good news. You can change this. You can train your mouth. You can build speaking muscles, just like you build muscles in the gym. And the best part? You don't need hours. You don't need perfection. You don't need to sound like a native. You just need to practice the right way, with focus and consistency. Part 2. The daily 5-minute mouth training routine. Let me start with one bold promise. If you do what I'm about to show you for just 5 minutes a day, every single day for the next 30 days, your English will sound different. Not just in your mind, but in your mouth, your confidence, your conversations, your career, your life. Because now, we're going to train your mouth like a muscle, not like a memory. Let's begin. You might think, just 5 minutes? That's too little. But here's the truth. It's not about how long you practice. It's about how you practice. Your goal isn't to become fluent overnight. Your goal is to build tiny, repeatable habits that rewire your mouth, reshape your sounds, and reprogram your speech patterns. You don't need 5 hours. You need 5 minutes of focused, physical, daily repetition. Just like brushing your teeth. Remember this forever. Reading is knowledge, but speaking is movement, and movement requires muscle memory. So now, let's go into the exact 5-minute training system, step by step. Step 1. Mouth warm-up, 1 minute. Yes, just like in the gym, you need to warm up your mouth muscles. Why? Because you've spent most of your day in your native language rhythm. Now you need to shift your lips, tongue, jaw, and breath into English mode. Here's how. A. Lip rolls. Gently buzz your lips like a motorbike. Say brrr for 5 seconds, 3 times. B. Tongue. Stretch. Push your tongue out of your mouth and back in. Do it slowly, 10 times. Jaw loosening. Open and close your mouth wide, gently. Repeat 5 times to release stiffness. D. Smile, stretch. Stretch your smile wide like you're laughing. Hold for 5 seconds. Relax. Repeat twice. Why it works. Loosens tension. Activates muscles you never use. Makes your English sound smoother and more natural. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to move. A warm mouth is a ready mouth. Step 2. The mirror technique. 1 minute. This is your secret weapon. Your mirror is your coach, your feedback system, your confidence booster. Here's what to do. Stand in front of the mirror. Look into your own eyes. Choose one simple sentence in English like, I am learning to speak confidently. This is my voice. I own it. English is becoming my second language. Say the sentence slowly. Focus on your lips, jaw, tongue movement, and eye contact. Don't rush. Watch yourself. Feel the sound. Say it 5 times, each time slightly faster. Why it works. Builds awareness of how you look and sound. Kills fear of judgment. Builds speaking presence and clarity. Gives you power to control your voice. It may feel awkward at first, but after 3 to 4 days, you'll start feeling natural. And after 10 days, you'll feel powerful. Remember, you can't build speaking confidence if you never face yourself. Step 3. Shadow speaking, 2 minutes. This is where the real fluency training happens. Shadow speaking means you listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it aloud, trying to match the speed, tone, rhythm, and emotion. Here's how to do it. Choose a short audio clip, 5 to 10 seconds. It could be from a YouTube video, a movie scene, a TED Talk, your own recording. Example. You hear, "I don't think that's a good idea." You repeat, exactly the same rhythm, speed, and tone. "I don't think that's a good idea." Not your version, not your accent, not slowly. Just match the original. Do it over and over, even if you make mistakes. Keep going. This is not grammar. This is muscle training. Why it works. Builds real-time speaking reaction. Builds fluency rhythm. Trains your ears, mouth, and brain together. Helps you sound smoother and more natural. This is how babies learn. They hear, they copy, they repeat, and they grow fluent. Step 4. Fluency loop, 1 minute. Now let's finish strong. This is your fluency loop drill, a rapid repetition system that helps you say the same sentence in 3 different speeds. Slow, normal, fast. Here's how. Take a sentence like, "I'm going to improve my English." Say it very slow. "I'm going to improve my English." Focus on every sound clearly. Normal. "I'm going to improve my English." Smooth and steady. Fast. "I'm gonna improve my English." Linked, confident like a native. Now repeat the loop 3 times. Choose 3 to 5 such sentences per day. Don't change them too much. Repeat them for a few days until your mouth gets used to them. This is how your brain says, "Oh, this is easy now. Let's move on." Why it works. Builds comfort with speed. Helps you stop overthinking. Makes you feel fluent, even if your vocabulary is small. Step time, what you do. Warm up 1 minute. Lip rolls, tongue stretch, jaw loosen, smile stretch. Mirror technique 1 minute. Say 1 sentence 5 times in front of mirror. Shadow speaking 2 minutes. Copy 2 to 3 real sentences from native speakers. Fluency loop 1 minute. Practice same sentence slow, normal, fast. Total time 5 minutes. Total impact, life-changing. Most learners skip this. They chase grammar books. They download vocab apps. They binge-watch English shows silently. But they never train their mouth. And that's why they stay stuck. But not you. Because now, you have a system. You have a practice. You have a daily English gym in your own room. And guess what? You don't need anyone. You don't need a partner. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need your voice, your focus, and 5 minutes of real practice. Because when your mouth becomes fluent, your English will follow.